know you're somewhere, somewhere. I'm trapped in.
Nigga. I'm 100% nigga. Nigga. Nigga.
Flip. Send me some. Me as well, G. And me, fam. Yo. I know you since primary. I know you since high school. Yo, G, I'm your cousin. Wait, no you're not. Where you man even coming from? I'm United, fam. I help me one as well, G. Yo.
Take my hand, drowning inside these walls of fear. Take my hand and stay with me, my dear.
Yo, I watched you walk away, cause I didn't think you'd leave. I thought that you knew that you meant everything to me. I know we get mad and we yell and blow steam, but now you're gone, I only see you in my dreams. Don't know what to do, cause lately I've been lacking passion. Self-inflicted pain just to cause a damn reaction. Telling people not to cut, I'm lying to the masses. Cause I've been in my room with the blade fucking laughing. Now I love the pain, it's evolved to an addiction. Only time my head is straight is off of the prescriptions. But the voices in my head tell me keep resisting. So I'll shed the tears and it's staring to the distance. Don't know what I'm looking for, but now I know it's hope. And I'm not gonna find that from these pills or the dope. Burning my emotions with each breath of the smoke. I know that it's time I find a better way to cope.